ahead, chase it. Chase it. Chase it like it's your lover. Okay. There it goes.
Come back.
You
What did I tell you?
You videotaping my plane?
Yes.
Why?
It's famous! Come here. Hi. Wait, what the crap? Hi.
Oh, I touched the button.
Wait, could you catch it in midair?
No.
Huh.
I touched the bottom of it.
Yeah, I saw that. That's pretty cool.
And not make it break.
See, I was trying to skip the bottom of it.
Michael Jordan, you have nothing on Michael Jordan.
I know I don't.
You really don't.
You couldn't even touch Michael Jordan without looking up to him. Whee! Probably people in the airplane like, why can I control the freaking plane?
There's people in that airplane?
Probably. They're like, can I drive to Hawaii? Why? This guy's trying to make us commit suicide.
I just want to scoop the bottom of it.
No! It looks like a bird far away in the camera. Yes, it does. It looks like it's flying. Looks like those magic birds. They do look like a bird. Whee! It's trying to fight. It's fighting the wind. I'm gonna go get my crown. Just trying to catch it. I got my crown. I gotta get my crown. I stepped in some ant beds. I mean, these ant beds. They're not alright. This, I actually, that's it already. Where's that other one? So, I mean, we're going to the park. We had to baseball practice today. I got my crown. My crown. I look cool in my crown. He's trying to. If you could see that good, I mean, the sun's like blaring on everything. It's like a football. Gosh. Whee! Bye, guys. Thumbs up if you like the video. If you like it, punch it. This thing in the face. Punch the like button, then punch the subscribe button in the face like a boss and everything. Yeah. Bye, guys. Love y'all. And bye.